welcome back to another episode of Scale Model Car Chief. I'm Steven. In this episode, we're going to be doing the unboxing of the 1977 Coca-Cola van, and this is going to be for the under 1,000 group build, sponsored by Mike and Rob. So let's head over to the workbench and see what we have. Okay, welcome back. Here we have a look at the box art and the red Coca-Cola livery and the van in the white livery. This kit has a lot of decals, so yeah, it gives you a lot of choices, but we're going in a completely different direction for this group build, and I'm excited about that. Let's go ahead and get the X-Acto knife out and cut her open and see what we have inside. This is a very heavy package. Just go ahead and rip this out of the way. All right, let's get the box open. Nice little chrome tree, the grill and the hubcaps, the white body. Go ahead and open that up. Very crisp, deep lines. Tiny bit of flash around the window openings, the vent window on the door there. Looks like a little ink mark from the bag. Yeah, it's coming off, so that's good. Set the chassis and floor pan aside. We got some clear glass, some red tail lamps. Nice touch. Red line tires. Let me get a close-up of that. Yeah, there we go. Engine components, chassis components. Got the seats and some other components. Yeah, I'll open these up, and there goes the frame. I'll try to keep everything in assembly order for this build, because it's such a long time frame. I'll probably be working on more than one kit during this. I haven't decided. I have a real good idea what I'm going to do with the Coca-Cola bottles. I'm kind of kicking around the idea of cutting the side door open on the van, the sliding door, but I haven't decided quite yet. If I do, I'll have the Coca-Cola bottle crates sitting inside in the back. Pretty simple instructions, not a lot of steps. Get a look at the decals next. Like I said, there's quite a lot of them. There's decals for the vending machine that comes with this kit, license plate decals, side decals. So I'm going to mix and match some of the Coca-Cola livery with some Chuck E. Cheese Pizza Time Theater decals that I will make for this build. But I think everything will go hand in hand seamlessly. I know this is going to be a fun build. I'm looking forward to it. So thanks for watching. Have a safe and blessed day. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief.